Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the adventure bus, and welcome back to another day of getting stuff done. Got quite a bit of a list of things to do to kind of get wrapped up. I kind of telling myself to stop doing what I'm doing because I keep jumping on to the next project before like completely finishing something. So right now this is the bathroom, and I do have the tile for the bathroom, but before I put the tile on the wall, I really think I need to get this closet sorted out. And in here, you guys aren't gonna be able to see it very well. Here we go. This stuff needs to be wired, and I mean, I have all of the 12 volt done. I have the power from the outside, the 50 amp coming in. I have the 50 amp going to the fuse panel. I actually have the fuse panel done, but it's this guy right here that I have been avoiding, and I need to wire all of the big large wires from the 6 batteries, which are going to be down below, to the distributor, to the inverter, and to these solar charge controllers, the breaker. So I think I'm gonna get at this and get this done. It's supposed to rain today anyway. Once that's finished, then I'm gonna continue on the tile. I will show you guys the tile though. It's in the trunk. I just picked it up today. And then after the tile, or somewhere in between, I also have to paint. So I still have a lot of painting to do. I still have to take the plastic off of this. They're actually not this color. It's a nicer green. It's not really this turquoisey green. It's a more warmer green, but there's plastic over them, and I haven't put the knobs on yet. So there's all those little things that just kind of need to get done. Out here, all of these need to get painted. And then I have some of the rubber strip that I used over there to kind of finish up the tops of these and clean them up. So still lots to do. I am going to get the tile loaded on into the back of the bus, but I'm going to try my hardest not to start tiling today. I definitely want to tile today just because you get that finished look, but I need to get that wiring done. So today I think is going to be a wiring day, but let's get that tile inside. Now I heard it kind of make some noise back here. Oh boy, yeah, it fell. Okay, so basically I have subway tile and a fancy tile. Maybe I'll do an Instagram poll to see how I should put on the subway tile, if I should do a brick pattern or a linear pattern. I don't know, but I do know that it is 3 by 6 inch tile. I have 4 boxes. And then this is a fancy tile. So I'm gonna put this all behind the vanity. And I picked up a faucet for the vanity. This guy should work good. All right, so these are our tiles that are gonna go behind the vanity. This is why I want to start tiling today. Let's see what it's all gonna look like. Okay. Bought enough tile to do 4 of those all the way up. And the rest of it, I was gonna do in subway tile.
from my winter hell. I've got candles and candy, I can be your daddy if you only let me creep into your prison cell. Hey baby, can you tell I'm not a criminal? Your choice is seminal. I want you to stay true to what's right for you. No matter who or know what will others say, just find your way.
Okay, so we have the solar disconnect completed, which is kind of what they ask for by law now, so that at any point in time when you're going to work on your system, you can turn them off. So these aren't actually really supposed to be breakers, more so that they are on-off switches. So those are set up and done, and they are hooked up to the charge controllers. And then now I have to go from the charge controllers to the Lynx Distributor. The Lynx Distributor is not in a good location there. So what I'm going to do is assemble the switch and other pieces to it to kind of get an idea of the size. But I definitely need more room between this battery and this. I'm debating if I'm going to mount it actually vertically in here. I'm going to have a look. I'm going to connect this stuff, the switch and the bars and stuff, and then the shunt, and kind of see how much room I need.
Where you would like to go. I've got cigarettes and